sure this is all caught up. Okay, so these first two graphs are showing us the function f of x equals x squared, and then the inverse of that, which is f of x equals plus or minus the square root of x. Right? This is a parabola that opens up. This is a parabola that's laying on its side. Yeah. Good question. They are probably, you know how we said that if you take a parabola and you lay it on its side, it's clearly not going to pass a vertical line test. So generally what you do is you don't have to turn it on its side to see that it's not going to pass the inverse won't pass a vertical line test. You do a horizontal line test on the original function, right? So you check this one to see, does it pass a vertical line test to see if it's a function, and then you do a horizontal line test to see whether the inverse will pass a vertical line test. That's why they put it in there. See, so if it fails this test, it also fails this test. Okay. But in fact, if the radical function, the square root of x, is only the plus side of the square root, right? We said this is the positive square root, this is the negative square root. So if I just consider the top half of the parabola, that's what the square root of x graph, the function, looks like. So this is actually half of a parabola. That's what the square root function looks like. So the inverse is actually not the whole parabola, it's only the part to the right. It just, for x greater than or equal to 0, that half of the parabola, if you flipped it across the line y equals x, you would have the square root function. You're going to wait.